Celine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys an entire house tour of our Christmas decorations. This year I partnered up with At Home, and it is probably the most exciting sponsorship that I've done in the entire year because, as you guys know, I love Christmas so much, and I'm so excited that I had the opportunity to be able to decorate several rooms with a bunch of stuff and home decor from At Home. I'm gonna take you guys room by room and show you guys how I decorated every single room with a Christmas tree and a different theme. So we have our office, we have the kitchen, the living room, the formal living room. We also have decorations in our bedroom and downstairs where the party's going to be at. I'm hosting Christmas again this year and I'm so excited. If you guys are new to my channel, I would absolutely love it if you joined our family and hit that subscribe button and also turn on those notifications. That way you guys are aware when I upload new videos. And now let's get into it. Let's begin with the outside of the house. As you guys can see, the wreath and the nutcrackers are from At Home, and then I made this little doormat myself. I just bought one for like $8 and then did the letters myself. Let's go inside and take a look. On the right hand side, you have all of the decorations in this room from the store At Home. You guys are gonna hear me say that a lot, so I hope you guys don't mind. That way you guys don't get confused on what's available and what's not. So this tree is by far one of my favorite new ones because of the very small lights. It's very unique. I've never seen a tree like this. All of the ornaments were super easy to find because everything at the store was categorized by color, so it just made looking at decorations so much more fun and less overwhelming trying to pick out what theme I wanted. The theme in this room are natural elements along with little bits of glamour. For example, the fur bows, the pom-poms, and also like all the little shimmery ornaments that you guys see on the tree. I love this sign. It's so pretty. I love the font. That's what really grabbed my attention, and I like that the colors are very natural. At Home also carries lamps and decor furniture pieces, as well as candles and everything that you can think of when it comes to decorating your house. So I did pick up this lamp. I love these little trees right here. They light up. This candle smells amazing. And then I also picked up this throw pillow which says "Let It Snow." Super cute. And I have a little pom-pom throw which I fell in love with. Another one of my favorite purchases was this lantern. It's so big and beautiful, and I just love the wood on it. I think it really stands out in this room. That was the formal living room. Now let's go into my office. This is what my office looked like before the decorations, and after going to the store, this is what it turned out like. The theme for this room is a nutcracker theme, and my sister helped me out with the idea. She's like, pick out some really cute ballerinas and pink things, and once again I was able to go to one section and find everything that you guys see here. I love the ornaments. They're super cute, and then I thought it would be really fun to add these on the floor along with this throw rug, which you can also find at Home. Now this little snow globe was so cute because it totally matched my decor with all of the pink. I also picked up this gorgeous throw pillow, which I really like the shape. I think it looks really glamorous, and I have that same throw up on the chair, and I want to show you guys what it looked like on there so it can match all together. I also picked up some of these frames. So gorgeous. I love these. I put in my own pictures. I picked this one that's from Rome on Etsy, and then the rest of the pictures I actually took myself when we went to London and Paris, and I was very proud of those. We have this really super cute nutcracker, and these ballerinas are too adorable. I even picked them up for my niece because my sister has the same theme for her bedroom. along with all these other decor pieces that really tie in the room. So I love that you could stick with one color, which is like the gold and the white, and then add accents of pink, which really make it pop. Alright, let's move on to the kitchen. Don't mind Ginger, she always stands awkward in different places, especially when I'm filming. So over here we have the kitchen. I put garlands on top of the cabinets, which I just wanted to keep it simple in here because too many things on the counters make things look cluttered. So I just like to decorate my coffee bar, super cute. I did a whole video on this last year and it was a huge hit. So I'm glad you guys liked it. Then I just have a little wreath here, and then I found this at home at the store, and I was like, this is so true. Christmas calories do not count. Over here in our dining room, I just put some pops of red and some greenery to keep it like really natural and simple, because once again, we cannot have clutter in the kitchen. Whenever there's food and I'm making dinner, it has to be super nice and clean. So I like things to be very tidy and uncluttered. Alright, moving on to the living room. So you guys already saw me set all this up. This tree is from last year, but I want to show you guys the ornaments that I picked up from at home, and they are so gorgeous. Here's an overview of what the living room looks like. I just love the red. It's so pretty. I didn't really do much shopping for this specific room, but I did pick up some of the ornaments that you guys are about to see because they're so cute. I should have picked up more. I love the candy on the tree. They were quite big when I had them in the store, and I'm like, should I only pick up 3? I should have picked up 2 more. So I'll probably go back and just pick them up because they're too adorable. And then all of these really big ornaments can be really hard to find. They could be really expensive in other stores, but from at home, I noticed that they were a lot more affordable, and they have a large variety and many different colors. So whatever tree you have, depending on the color, you will be sure to find it. Alright, so now this is just an overview of the rest. Over here on the ottoman, I also picked this up from at home, and I just need to add a candle in there. I keep forgetting, but I was like, I can't stop the whole video for just one candle, so I'll just show you guys really quick. And then I went ahead and I also decorated the stairs. Let's head upstairs to the master bedroom, and I've never decorated my room before until this time, and I was super excited. This is what it looked like before any of the decorations from at home, and this is what it looks like now. It's like a winter wonderland. Once again, I wanted to keep this very natural, so for the first time ever, I didn't decorate the tree. I just wanted it to stand out on its own, and then I put other accessories around the room to complement it. So the covers enough were kind of busy with the plaid, and so I was like, I'm just gonna leave the covers on. I'm gonna let the tree shine. It's so beautiful. Even the inside looks like real bark, so I love that. And then this set of trees came together, so it was 3 of them, and I love how they look. I also picked up this bench, which I've been wanting one for the longest time. I found the perfect one from at home. They have really amazing furniture, and it's so affordable, so I was super excited to get that. And then I also added these 2 pillows, the white one that's the knit sweater, and also the one that says believe. On top, I wanted to balance it out with a wreath, so I thought this looked really nice because the tree is also flocked, and so it looks good together. And then just a cute little sign for the nightstand with a wood texture. So I really like that. I love how it looks all together. It looks so cozy, and it's pretty awesome. And the last room that I want to show you guys is downstairs where we're having the party. It was completely bare, and I transformed it into a winter wonderland as well, but this is more of like a frozen winter wonderland. It totally reminds me of the movie Frozen with the polar bears. I saw them in the display at home, and it gave me the most amazing idea to transform it into like an all blue themed tree. And I've never done ribbon before, which is so strange to me. I tried it last year, I failed, but this time I put 2 different kinds of ribbons, and I even hung ornaments on the ceiling with some masking tape and some ribbon. And then on the bottom I put this little fir throw, and I also incorporated some gorgeous dazzling trees. So I love how it turned out. Ricardo also really liked it. It was something completely different than I've ever done before. And then this is supposed to be our Disney tree, so that's why it's all blue. So afterwards I went ahead and I switched out some things just so I can incorporate more of Disney ornaments, because you guys know I love Disney. I had to have a Disney tree in here somewhere, and I thought this was great because when you think of the castle, it's blue, the Cinderella castle, so I was like, yeah, it's gonna be a blue tree. As I was telling you guys in the beginning of this video, this is probably one of my favorite partnerships that I've done this year. I am so grateful. I remember when I first started my channel, my very first few videos were Christmas decor, and at that time I was living in a really small apartment, like super tiny apartment, and I remember that I just didn't like living there. It was such a hard time in my life, and I remember I had the tiniest little white tree. It was maybe about 3 feet tall, and I decorated it pink, and I was like, oh my gosh, this makes me so happy. I love Christmas. I'm so thankful for everything that I have in my life, and I didn't think that my life would change that much more, and I didn't think that I would be blessed with the things that I have now. And looking back at that video, it makes me a little emotional because I remember how grateful I was to have the things that I have. And I don't know why I'm getting emotional. You know, I went from living in a 300 square feet, a tiny attic apartment, and hardly being able to afford a 3 feet tall Christmas tree, to being where I am at now and being able to work with an amazing brand like At Home. And that's all thanks to you guys. So thank you so much for always supporting my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Happy holidays, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Muchos besos. Mwah.